Hi guys, welcome back. And today we're going to go over what a prefix is. So, before we start though, I want you guys to talk with your elbow partners and discuss what you guys think a prefix is. And then after that, once you guys get your thoughts, we'll come back together and then you'll share some of your examples and then we'll take a look at what a prefix is. Okay, class, perfect. Does anybody want to share or any groups want to share what they think a prefix is? Okay, perfect. Those were all really good ideas that you guys had. Some of you guys might even be right. I don't know. We'll have to find out. Let's go ahead and find out. So, what is a prefix? So, a prefix is a word or letter that is placed in front of a word to change its meaning. So, some of you guys did get that right. But one more time, though, a prefix is a word or letter that is placed in front. So, where is it placed in? Where is it placed, class? In the front, good, of a word to change its meaning. So now that we know what a prefix is, let's go ahead and take a look at some example prefixes that we see in our everyday language. So the first one we have is un. Can you guys all say un? Good. And this means not or opposite of. So I want you guys to go ahead and take some time, think. What are some words that we use that begin with un that you guys can think of? Untie, good. And untie would mean untying your untying your shoe. The opposite of tying your shoe, which would be like delacing or untying. Good. So if my shoe's in knot, that means I tied it, and if I want to untie it, I'm doing the opposite of that knot. So I'm untying it. Perfect. And I'm making my two strands again. Do we have another one? Untitled. Wow, that's a good one. Untitled, meaning something is not titled, right? No name. Some of you guys turn in your papers untitled, and I don't know whose it is because you guys don't write your name. That was a great example. Let's go ahead and move on to our next one, which is re. Can you guys say re? Good. And this prefix means again or to do again. So this one should be pretty easy for some of you. Let's go ahead and I want you guys to think. Think of some words that begin with the re. Okay, perfect. Let me hear some examples. Redo, good. Redo meaning do again, good. Do we have another one? Regain. Wow, I like regain, meaning to gain something again, like you lost something and you gained it back. You regained it. That was a good one. Interesting. Great examples, guys. Let's go ahead and move on. Our next one is pre, kind of like prefix, right? So we kind of did a little bit with this one already. And this word means before. So can you guys think of some words that begin with that have the prefix pre? And you can't use prefix as an example. Preview. Wow, that was a good one. And that one means view before something. Nice. Is there another one that you guys can think of? Pre-game is another one. And pre-game would mean before the game. Nice. Good job, guys. You guys are really good at this. Our last one is miss, which can mean wrong or incorrect. So, can you guys think of a word that might start with miss as a prefix? Misbehave, good. That's what some of you guys do in here. A little too much misbehave, which would mean behave wrong. Yes, you guys are really good. I like that word too. Misbehave. Perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and move on, class. So in front of you, you guys should already have this worksheet. So I want you guys to go ahead, we'll take some time aside. You guys can identify the prefix of the word and then the base word. So independently, so by yourselves. And then after 5-10 minutes, we'll come back and we'll do these together and we'll look over them. Okay, perfect. Let's come back, guys. Everybody should be done by now. Can I have a volunteer for unfair to tell me the prefix of unfair and the base word? Perfect. Our prefix would be un, and our base word would be fair. Good. And we put those together, meaning not fair. Good. All right. Can I have a volunteer for the next one? Retie. Good. Our prefix here is re, and our base word here is tie. And re-tie together means tie again. Great. You guys got the hang of this good. Can I get a volunteer for pre-cook? Good. Our prefix here is pre, and our base word here is cook. And together, pre-cook means cook beforehand. Great job. Can I have a volunteer for misspell? Good. Miss is our prefix here, and spell is our base word. And misspell together meaning spell incorrectly. Good job, guys. Can I have a volunteer for undo, even though we kind of already did this one already? Nice. Our prefix here is un, and our base word is do. Perfect. Let's go ahead and jump to remake. Can I have another volunteer? Good. Our prefix here is re, and our base word here is make. And remake together is make again. Great job, guys. Can I have a volunteer for preheat? Perfect. Our prefix here is pre, and our base word here is heat. And together, heat beforehand. Nice. Good job, guys. Last one, misplaced. Last volunteer. Perfect. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Our prefix here is miss, and our base word here is place. Amazing job, guys. Okay, guys, so now I want you guys to take out your packets, and I want you guys to work on page 3.